Hi guys, welcome to the class again. Today we are going to learn the mental math trick of finding out the HCF of two numbers. Let's start. We have to find out the HCF of 8 and 16. How do we do that? So between 8 and 16 you have 8 and 16. Pick up the smallest number, which is 8, and divide the greater number by the smallest number. 16 divided by 8, if you check, your remainder is 0, which means your HCF is 8. Isn't it easy? Quick. Now, this was a very easy one. Let's go to a question which is little difficult. What is the HCF of 12 and 32? So we have to find the HCF of 12 and 32. Now, between 12 and 32, pick up the smallest number, which is 12. Can you divide 32 by 12? No, we cannot. Then we factorize 12. So if you factorize 12, you have 1 into 2, you have 2 into 6, and you have 4 into 3. Out of all the factors, check. 4 is one number with which you can divide both the numbers and the remainder is 0. In which case then 4 is the HCF. Right? Now, let's go to the next type. We have to find out HCF of 3 digits. This most of the time is a challenge to a lot of students. Let us see how we can do this quickly. So let us take, this is 12, this is 15, and this is 21. The step 1 is, see, if you pick up 12, you will not be able to divide 15 and 21 by 12. You will get a remainder. So that's not working. So what you do, you find out the difference. So 12 minus 15 will give you 3. And 21 minus 15 will give you 6. So 3 is the smallest difference. So pick up the smallest difference and check if you can divide all the 3 numbers by the smallest difference. So 12 divided by 3, you get a 0 remainder. You have to check the remainder. Your job is only to check the remainder, because factor is that number with you. When you divide any number, you get a remainder 0. So if you see 15 divided by 3, the remainder is 0. And you have 21 divided by 3, the remainder is 0. Clearly, 3 is the HCF. I hope you guys are getting it. HCF is 3. I hope you guys are getting it, right? Let's go to the next example. We have to find out 50, 70 and 80, 85. We are going to use the same technique of the difference. So we take 50, we take 70 and we take 85. Now let's find the difference. What is the difference? Difference is 20 and this difference is 15. Now pick up the smallest number, which is 15. Now you see, with 15 you cannot divide any of these numbers. Then what do? We take 15 and we factorize 15 into 5 times 3 times 1. Correct? These are the factors of 15. Now always keep the factors in the descending order. It will help you to take the numbers, calculate the numbers properly. Now 5, pick up the largest amongst them. 5, just check if 50, 70 and 85 is divisible by 5. Obviously, it is divisible by 5. So therefore then, HCF is, your HCF of the given 3 numbers is going to be 5. Let's see another question. We have 17, 23, 27 and 20. Now this time we have given 4 digits. So let's take, we have 17, 23, 27 and 29. We are again going to go by the difference method. So let us see. Difference is 6. This difference is 4. And this difference is 2. Now we have to pick up the smallest difference, correct? Difference 2 is the smallest difference. Now, can we divide all the numbers by 2? All the numbers are odd. We cannot divide them by 2. So what are we going to do? We are going to factorize 2 and 1. Now 2 we cannot divide. So 1 is the only number. Therefore, HCF of the number is 1. I hope you've understood what I have explained. Isn't it very quick, fast? You can take different examples and try for yourself. I'm sure this technique will work for all of you. Thank you so much.